My topic name is food wastage. Food wastage is a pervasive global issue that affects all stages of the food supply chain, from agricultural production to consumption. Despite significant advancement in agriculture technology and food distribution systems, it is estimated that approximately one third of all food produced for human consumption is lost or wasted every year. This amounts to nearly 1.3 billion tons of food, with profound implications for food security, environmental sustainability, and economic efficiency. Addressing food wastage is critical to ensuring that the world can sustainably feed its growing population while minimizing the environmental footprint of food production. Causes of food wastage. Food wastage occurs at different points in the food supply chain, each with its unique causes. In developing countries, food loss primarily happens during production, post harvest handling, and processing. Inadequate infrastructure such as poor roads, lack of cold storage facilities, and inefficient supply chain contribute to significant food losses. For instance, crops may spoil before they reach markets due to a lack of proper storage, or they may be damaged during transportation due to poor road conditions. In contrast, in developed countries, food wastage is more prevalent at the retail and consumer levels. Retailers often reject perfectly edible produce based on cosmetic standards such as size, shape, or color, leading to large quantities of food being discarded. Moreover, consumers in wealthier nations tend to buy more food than they need, often influenced by marketing strategies like bulk buying and discounts. Misinterpretation of use by and best before dates also leads to the disposal of food that is still safe to eat. Additionally, cultural attitudes towards food where abundance is often equated with prosperity contribute to the casual disposal of edible food. Environmental impact of food wastage. The environmental consequences of food wastages are staggering. The production of food requires sustainable resources, including water, land, energy, and labor. When food is wasted, these resources are also wasted, leading to unnecessary environmental degradation. For instance, it is estimated that food production accounts for about 70% of global freshwater use. Therefore, wasting food also means wasting water, a critical resource in many regions of the world. Moreover, food waste contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. When food waste decomposes in landfills, it produces methane, a potent greenhouse gas that is about 25 times more effective at trapping heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, if food waste were a country, it would be the third largest emitter of greenhouse gases, following the United States and China. This makes food wastage a major contributor to climate change, which is turned exacerbated food insecurity by affecting agriculture productivity and disrupting food supply chains. Economic consequences of food wastage. The economic impact of food wastage is enormous, with losses estimated to be nearly 1 trillion annually. This figure includes the direct cost of wasted food as well as the cost associated with the resources used to produce it. In developing countries, food loss represents a significant economic burden on smallholder farmers who lost a substantial portion of their potential income due to inadequate storage and transportation infrastructure. This not only if affects their livelihoods but also undermines food security in regions where food access is already limited. In developed countries, food wastage contributes to higher food prices as the cost of waste is often passed on to consumers. Moreover, governments and municipalities in incur significant cost in managing food waste, including the cost of collection, transport, and disposal. These resources could be better utilized in addressing other pressing social issues such as poverty and hunger. Social implications of food wastage. The social implications of food wastage are particularly troubling in the context of global hunger. While a substantial portion of the world's food supply is wasted, nearly 828 million people suffer from chronic hunger, according to the World Food Programme. This stark contrast highlights the inefficiency and inequality of the global food system. Reducing food wastage could play a crucial role in alleviating hunger and improving food security, especially in regions where food access is limited. Thank you.